Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles, where I show you how to draw things every single day. So today's doodle is going to be Tails from Sonic the Hedgehog. So before we get started, please feel free to like, comment, share, subscribe, all that awesome stuff. Alright, it really helps out the channel a lot, and I love it when you do so. Alright, so to start drawing Tails, I'm going to start with his eyes. So I'm going to do an upside down U, and then I'm going to give it a little bit of space and do another upside down U. Alright, so now I'm going to do a little oval right here and color it in dark. It's actually going to be his nose. And from that little nose, we can come along and fill in the bottom of that upside down U and do the same on this side. Now I can do an oval right here and one over here. And I'm going to put a circle in each one. And then a circle in the middle of each one, and then I can color that one in dark. So now, continuing on from the line that we've got drawn underneath both eyes, I'm going to do some little fluffy bits. Like that. And then we can come on in and connect those lines. And I'm going to give Tails a cute little smile. And we can give him a little line up here and one up here, just kind of like little eyebrows. And here, kind of in the middle, but above both eyes, is a little bit of hair. He's got like 3 little pieces of hair right there. And then we can come over a little bit on both sides and give him 2 pointy ears. One right there, and one right there, and then they can curve on down. Now the inside of the ear, we can just do another little triangle shape, like that. And now his neck right here, we're going to do a little bit of fluffy fur, just like we kind of did with the sides of his face. And now I can come on down here a little bit. And we can kind of start to give him a little bit of a belly. And right here, I'm drawing his arm. And I'm going to bend it right there. You got a little elbow. And now I'm going to start on his glove. So I got a little line like this. And got a little funny shape like that. And there we've got one hand. And I'll put a line right there for his side. And I'm going to continue doing a little bit of his fluff. You can come on down and go right there, make a little line there. And we're going to put his other hand on his hip as well, on his other hip. So we come on down and we can curve, do a little line right there, and like that. Okay. So now we can come on down. We've got one leg and the other. So those legs are coming off the page, and that's okay. All right, so 2 very important things about Tails. Of course, his 2 tails. So I'm going to kind of start from the back here, kind of coming up behind his little face fluff. And I've got one, and we'll do another one like that. And each one we can do a little silly kind of line like that. Okay, and we've got them drawn. Now we can start to color. Alright, so we are finished drawing Tails. Thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you had fun, and I will see you here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!